song galing Taglish reggae love song. Akala ko noong love can fix it all. Kahit paulit-ulit I still answer your call. Pero bawat balik mo may panibagong pain. Hanggang napagod na ang puso kong naghihintay again. I gave my all, wala nang natira. Sa bawat sorry mo, ako ang nawawala. Now I realize enough is enough. Di lahat ng love worth fighting for. My self-respect is more than a second chance. Hindi na ako sasayaw sa parehong romance. Mas pipiliin kong maghilom kaysa masaktan ulit. Self-love ang sagot, hindi ang paulit-ulit. Goodbye sa kahapon, hello sa respeto ang gabay. Hindi galit ang dahilan kung bakit ako malis, kundi pagod na ang puso sa paulit-ulit na kapalit. No more crying every night, no more lonely days. I'm choosing peace now in so someday you'll understand why I had to let go of your hand. Forgiveness is free, but trust is earned. Sa bawat lesson may bagay na natutunan. My self-respect is more than a second chance. Hindi na mahal ko na ang sarili kaysa sa maling pag-ibig. Di lahat ng bumabalik deserve pang man at magali. I'll keep moving on with my head held high. Self-respect forever, that's my reason why, yeah. One love, one heart, pero dapat may dangal. Kung wala ng respeto, it's time to say farewell. Mas mahalaga ang self-respect kaysa second chance. Yan ang tunay na pag-ibig, starts with yourself. Song galing Taglish reggae love song.